Technology is evolving so fast, it's starting to feel unreal. We've reached a point where science fiction is becoming science fact. These 10 inventions make it hard to tell where one ends and the other begins. Number 1, mind-to-voice, the Neuralink breakthrough. A man with ALS completely paralyzed just did something once thought impossible. Thanks to Neuralink, he can now speak using only his thoughts. The implant reads his brain signals and Grok AI turns them into spoken sentences, using a replica of his real voice. He thinks. The AI types. Then his voice, rebuilt from old recordings, says the words. It's not just communication, it's digital telepathy. Number 2, the smart contact lens. What if your eyes could stream data, translate languages in real time, and record memories? Smart contact lenses are doing just that, turning your vision into a live, augmented reality feed. Number 3, Xenobots living robots. Meet the world's first living robots, Xenobots. Made from frog cells, they can move, heal themselves, and even reproduce in ways no other life form does. It's biology meets robotics. Number 4, brain-to-brain communication. 2 people, no words, just thoughts, transmitted directly from one brain to another. Brain-to-brain communication is real, and researchers have already used it to play collaborative games. Number 5, quantum internet. Forget slow Wi-Fi. The quantum internet promises unhackable communication using entangled particles. The twist? Changing one instantly changes the other, no matter the distance. Number 6, AI that paints, writes, and dreams. AI now creates art, composes music, writes novels, even dreams. Some pieces are indistinguishable from human work. Where does creativity end and code begin? Number 7, 3D printed organs. Scientists have 3D printed working human organs, hearts, kidneys, and more, layer by layer, cell by cell. In the near future, transplant waitlists could become history. Number 8, flying taxis. The Jetsons were right. Flying taxis are already in testing across major cities. Vertical takeoff, electric-powered, and almost silent. The daily commute may be heading skyward. Number 9, holographic teachers and doctors. Need a teacher or a doctor? Holograms powered by AI are already being used for remote education and even guiding surgeons through complex procedures. Number 10, digital afterlife. Your digital self might outlive you. Using memories, voice data, and online behavior, companies are creating virtual replicas that keep you alive long after you're gone. 10 inventions. 10 ways reality is catching up with our wildest dreams. We're not just living in the future, we're building it. Which one blows your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending tech stories.